This video will show you how to export and edit infrared images from our thermal imaging camera on your computer. We'll go through 3 steps. First, we'll open the image using the SmartView program. When the images are downloaded from the camera onto your computer, they're in a .is2 format that's only viewable with the SmartView program that comes with the camera. This is a problem because we want to be able to email those pictures to somebody else, and they're not going to be able to view them unless they also have the SmartView program, which isn't very probable. And also, sometimes we want to edit the images, and the common editing programs we have on our computers won't be able to open a .is2 file. So we'll open the image with SmartView, and then in the next step we'll export the image in JPEG format or some other common graphics format. I usually use JPEG. Then finally we'll resize and edit the image with Microsoft Office Picture Manager, image editing program that comes with Windows XP that everyone should have on their computers here in the office. Remember that you have to have the SmartView program installed on your computer to view the images that are downloaded from the camera. Let's get started. In my documents, I've created a folder with one infrared image camera, or infrared image here. You'll see, so it's IR, then it gives me the year, the month, and the date that it was downloaded or taken, and then the number of the picture. And here's this .is2 format. I'll click on it and it will automatically open with the SmartView program. Here's my image. Now notice if I move the cursor around inside the image, I can see what the different temperatures are. Pretty cool. There are also different tools and reports you can use up here, but for today we'll just concentrate on exporting the file. If I go to File, I click and go down to Export. If I had many images open at one time, I could export all, but today we'll just export one image. I want to export in JPEG format. It's just my preference. And I'm going to save it into the same folder that I had before. I can change the name down here if I want to. Maybe instead of 0098, I might just put test image or something. Okay. Then I've got everything set up. I push OK, and one file has been exported. Alright. Close this down. We'll save the changes. Now I'm back into my infrared image folder, and here's my image right here, in the same one in JPG format. I'll click on this and it will open with Office Picture Manager. And you can see it's very small. I think it's like 160 by 120 pixels. That's a little bit too small for us. So let's edit. I click on Edit Pictures. Over here, there are many different things I can do. Sometimes I'll need to rotate and flip. In this case, I just want to resize. The easiest way to do it is go to Predefined Width and Height, and a good size might be large email size or maybe small web size. I'll go with the large email size. Go OK, and you have to remember to save it. There we go. I can test it by going back to the image again. Okay, you can see the dimensions have changed. I'll click on it. Okay, I've got the big image saved to my hard drive. Great. Now I can email this to other people. Almost any picture viewing program is going to be able to open up this file and view it. Or I can play around with try editing the size or the contrast. That's it. Good luck.